So we are at a customer's home today to perform a camera inspection on the main sewer line. She's had multiple backups in the past few weeks, and she's had the line cleared out by previous company. Today we are out here just for the camera inspection. Anytime that you have a backup on your line, you should always have a camera inspection performed to see the integrity of the line. We offer a free camera inspection with every drain cleaning that we do. We are going to access the line through the clean out right here. We will take a look at it and see what she's got going on underneath the ground. All right, so we have the camera in the line here. You can take a look and you can see that the camera's in the line. Right now we are at 29 feet. When we push the camera a little bit further down her main sewer line, we can see the pipe separation come right here where it drops off. So this is a complete pipe separation on the inside of the sewer line, marking at 31 feet from point of entry. We've located the damaged sewer line. It's actually up underneath the concrete slab off the back of the home. The location of the separation is right here at 1 feet 10 inches deep. So we're right at 2 feet down.